Our mobile library is filled with the rice and the hygiene material, the washing station, and now we go to the people's house to distribute this thing to them. In this place, the road is quite small, so our car cannot go to the community. That's why we use our mobile library to bring that material to the people. This washing station is very important because the people in the community can come here to clean their hand with the soap, and they can keep the social distance to prevent the outbreak of the COVID-19.
Our volunteer been select and training to be a mobile librarian and learning toy. So during the outbreak, they've been training by our social worker, to run the education campaign and reinforce their practice of protection. We use the education as a tool to stop the happening of the virus, to make that every part of the world are protected.